now we are gonna drill with the automatic mode. Here we can see when we reset the hole with the top button. In this case was a hole that was already been drilled for 79%. So we push OK, we get the reset done, so we get the full length of the hole now, and then we can start drilling. In this case we start with the full automatic drilling. Rotation forward, we get the lock for the drilling, and then we push the automatic button. So now the machine will add the rod and drill up to the target. Okay, the target is 16.73 meters plus 0.5 meters sub drilling. Function. The machine is moving automatically the rod into the drill center and threading it to the rod in the ground. Up another rod into the grippers because we need another rod. To complete the full length of the hood. So here we can see this part of the hole was already been drilled, and then we have just a few meters left to complete the hole. Is adding, we'll add the third pipe. So the machine is always showing the automatic sequence in the simulator view. Adding another pipe to complete the hole, and start drilling again with the third pipe. So now we get to the solid ground. Also seeing it from the display and from the embody in real time in the screen. We can select different type of MOD in the menu, in the sub menu. So here we can see that now the plot while drilling is showing the penetration rate, but we can select different parameters. So for example, in this case we selected feed pressure. We can see the feed pressure that the machine has been using during the hole, during drilling. Then we have rotation pressure as well. Okay. So then we can see we have low rotation pressure because the hole was already drilled for like 70% of the length. Select flash pressure. In this case the thrust pressure is also the percussion pressure, because it's a DTH machine, so it's using the air for the impact in the down the road hammer. Then we can select as well hardness of the rock. So the plot will display the hardness, the rock hardness. Here of course is displaying that the rock is almost like empty, so it doesn't have almost any hardness. And then in the last part of the road, since we have compact rock, we have just like completing the road, then it will show like compact rock. We can also see the fracturing plot while drilling, so the fracturing graphic. So here we can see the fracturing graphic, and then we go back to the penetration rate graphic, and instantly the graphic will show the selected value. Part of the pit we can also see that the rock is quite hard, so we have a penetration rate that is around 0.35, 0.34, going up to sometimes 0.4 meters a minute. So in the display the operator can monitor the drilling, can also monitor the rock condition by looking at the graphic, but of course all the functions are automatic, like the auto drill, auto RHS, so the machine, the system is adding the rod automatically, and also it will retract the rod automatically back into the carousel once we reach the target. So remember that if you have the sub-reading, this will be the target from the drill plan, and then the complete all target will be the all target plus the sub-reading. Anytime the operator can also change the different parameter just by going into the fine-tuning sub-menu, the drill menu, in case the rock conditions are changing and we need a different type of feed pressure. Get to the target. So now the machine is retracting automatically the pipe into the carousel once the hole has been completed and cleaned. can see that the machine is working in automatic mode because we have the automatic cycle activated. Picking up the last out. So the reading cycle, one oil automatic function completed and working.